Alright guys, I have something great for you. In today's video, we are going to have a look at the construction that's going on at the Estuary Housing Scheme. The Estuary community is officially located in Friendship, St. James, but it is a very big community. So much so that where they are constructing now is on the border of Chelsea Irwin. And today we're going to have a look at the construction site. This is it from within Chelsea. See the true route? So they're probably coming over this side. I don't know if they're going to purchase the houses there and just, yeah, take over here. So, but wow. There are some dogs barking down there. I know when they run off of me, see what ya? They might run come too. Let me stay where I am. Why then dog you run come father? The shoes are gonna get dirty. Hi doggies. Ow, 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 ow. I won't have to clean these off. Hi doggies. Thanks. Alright. Okay. You can ask. Hi doggy. Hi kitty. Hi. Hi. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. See the framework? Cool. Morning. See that? Morning. Yeah. Look at it. So this, I think this is a 2-bedroom adjoined. Yeah. See that? Let's see if we can come around that side. Want to see what I call? I'm not putting you in the video. Don't worry. Me missing, not true. Oh my god. I'm glad me come that side here. You see that? So you see in the framework, the steel, the piping. So it's over down that side too? Because I hear trucks down there. Oh, let me excavate over there so. Oh my gosh, what's your dog funny feel? Right, so hopefully don't dogs come and attack me. We're coming up to this side because they said they have some excavation work going on over here. Let me see if I can see it without any dogs attacking me. Ooh. Oh my gosh, see there, you can see the other. There's a lot of work going on. Damn it, man. I'm gonna say all of this one are going up here. Hi, puppy. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. See? They're doing some excavation. I have to talk to the dog now. Watch out, tractor come. Oh my God. Hi, cutie. Oh. Hi. Tractor. Oh my gosh. You see all the work, and you can actually in the background further down. So that means that the estuary community is really large, because I think that's a part of it. The houses that I'm seeing in the distance, in the distance. Let me see if I can. And you see the houses there in the distance? Yeah. I think that's a part of estuary as well, going all the way back around. Because estuary is in the friendship community, but that's a lot of houses, man. All right. I don't want to go on, because if I venture further, I will be on their private property. So I am going to go back around. Yeah. Wow. Let me come over here so I can see it. Can't see where they go on right there, so. Ooh, up on the top of the hill, the sun hot. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of land space, you know. How much acres do you think this be, guys? Right on top of the hill. Nice. So right beside Chelsea Irwin, on the Sign Irwin side, not the Tucker Irwin side, even though up here you should be able to see Tucker Irwin as well. So a lot of work going on. All right, guys, I will be keeping track of this for you. I will every now and again come up here to see how the work is progressing. So I'll keep an eye out for you. So don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Are you excited to see this new development? Do you think that you would live in this community? Are you a part of the estuary community? All of that information. Do you like living on the top of a hill? Huh? All right. Here, man. Just Pier Mall. Oh God, I just stepped. Oh God, look at my shoes. I did not expect this. I don't think I'm properly attired, and I'm not even sure how I'm going to get this off my foot. Look at my shoes. I didn't even consider rolling up my pants foot. Look how I mess up.